at the time portal corridors, as I enter the chasm of the timeline margins, revert back to the day when I was just an orgasm. I'm shifting the whole pattern. My mission tonight is to restore peace. Like a sympathetic Scott Bakula backpacking through eras making a quantum leap. This is not Back to the Future. Forget about the 1.21 gigawatts. Focus on river waters now uncontaminated, drinkable and clear. Books disintegrate, trees reappear. Watch as the ozone layer gets healthier. I get to say the things I never got to say to past lovers. I'm watching all my gains turn into losses as my grandfather steps out of his coffin to play softball again. Technicolor swirls turn into whirlpools, hovering above fools with war tools. Before public schools and colleges, before slavery was abolished, before martyrs, I see humans responsible for the carnage they're not learning. I'm watching minds evolve from Pangea to Sangria, from Tanzania to land speeders. I hand-fed extinct species. Bottled dinosaur shit for examination purposes. Even gave Rubik's Cubes to Neanderthals to hopefully make us more intelligent in the present. It's becoming so much easier to breathe. This is before the 12th monkey sneezed. I see Ronnie's cancer dwindle back down to microscopic as he flails his arms wildly, moshing in a cold chamber concert. A bullet comes back to its barrel as Lenin's wound closes. The doctors open me up and give me back my appendix. Vomit returns to the stomach of Hendrix. The Twin Towers rebuild themselves. My dream girl takes off her Air Force uniform. Hydrogen bombs return to their formulas. Nazis set the Jews free. White soldiers released the Native Americans at the Battle of Wounded Knee. Back to 99 when I realized my spine wasn't aligned with the current times. Hold at a deprived time with a surprised ending. I've landed on September 9th, 2006. Location, Norwich. And yes, I am cheating. This is the 4th time I've done this performance today, and I will not hesitate to reset and try it again. Literally pat my own self on the back, walk up to my lonely former adolescent self and tell him that this cold world has more to offer than false promises and awful incompetent people. Trust no one, put your personal needs above all else, because being nice and polite has got me nowhere. I want you to eat tarot cards and shit the future. Do not become a Donnie Darko doppelganger. I cut my lifeline short in spite of it, and now I'm losing my mind, gripping time, spine, punching clocks off of epoch's walls. No matter how much I try to stand still trying to stand, I'm at a no. Still stand, I'm at a no. Still stand, how much matter will still standing, one to try to instill until matter dissipates shadows, and my shadow serves no purpose, and my shadow serves no purpose, and my shadow serves my serene surface, waiting for calamities to ripple nerves with nervous urges surging, ergonomic nurturing. My body is getting weak. My atoms are scattering. This is the price you pay for altering history. The future doesn't concern me yet. Remember me when I'm gone. Only you can bring me back.